Hello everyone. In this video, I want to show one of my newest projects, the multi-plane Pepper's Ghost viewer. So first of all, what is Pepper's Ghost? Pepper's Ghost is an illusion that's created by using some sort of screen and some sort of clear piece of plastic, right? This is not clear, but you would need a clear piece of plastic. And you'd take the phone or the screen like this and put the plastic at a 45-degree angle. And effectively, whatever's on the screen reflects off of the plastic. But since the plastic is transparent, you can actually see through the plastic as well. So this gives the illusion of whatever is on the screen is floating in front of you in midair. Now, this technique has been used in a lot of applications. Some people use it to create a hologram-like effect. You can even use it in plays to make a ghost appear in front of an actor. Now, I had an idea that what if you could layer the Pepper's Ghost effect? Or in other words, what if you could have multiple Pepper's Ghost effects happening in series? Now, this idea had been in the back of my mind for quite a while, but I wasn't sure how I would even get access to such a viewer, because I would essentially need several pieces of plastic, one after one another, that would fit a smartphone or an iPad. So when I was shopping at a store, this actually caught my eye, this stand. Now, this stand is really just for, books or any sort of other material. But for me, I realized it could be a perfect multi-plane Pepper's Ghost viewer. How so? Well, you can take the piece of plastic and orient it like this, and then you could put it on the screen. And then you see that different portions of the screen, this portion will be reflected on this portion. This portion will be reflected on this portion. This portion will be reflected on this portion, and this will be reflected on this portion. And then you'll get multiple Pepper's Ghosts in series. So after finding this and purchasing it, I decided to conduct 3 different experiments. My first experiment is that I display a mini city in the Pepper's Ghost viewer. In particular, I display um, in each plane, I display several buildings, and so together, all the planes add up to look like a little city. My second experiment is regarding color mixing, where I display different colors on each plane, and then from the front, the colors mix together. My last experiment is in movement. I take a plane and I make it appear in the first. I take a square and I make it appear on the first plane, and then I take that square and make it appear on the second plane, and then make it appear on the third plane, and then make it appear on the fourth plane. So it gives the illusion of movement. So I'll show you these experiments now. The 3 experiments make use of the following code. The first experiment, which displays the cities, displays these 4 sets of buildings, and each of these will display on a different panel. The second experiment displays 3 different colors. This panel, nothing will display on it, and these colors will all mix together. And in this third experiment, one single rectangle is displayed on each of the panels one by one to give the illusion of movement. Here is the first experiment. It's the city. You can see how all the buildings combine together to create a little city. The second experiment is color mixing. You can see how all the colors, red, blue, and green together form white in the center. And if you only see the red and blue overlap, you get magenta. If you see blue and green overlap, you get cyan. And here's the movement experiment. You can see how the plane moves backwards. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any ideas about how the multiplane Pepper's Ghost Viewer can be used in a practical application or an artistic application, please let me know and have a nice day.